Well, welcome to Enchanted Princess. We're about to enter our room with our medallion. Welcome. Our bags that made it on the airline made it to our room. Nice large room. Lots
Life
of
jackets.
space. Life jackets, lots of space, hangers for when we unpack. Nice size bed, lots of place for our stuff. Fridge. Ooh, hair dryer. I did not pre-look at anything besides the bathroom. I did look at that. Lots of space. One plug.
One plug on each side.
Oh,
USB.
And now, somehow I got upgraded, luckily, to a bigger bathroom. Handicap. Lots of space. Shower. Do my hair. Lots of places to put all my stuff.
The magnet's stuck on here still.
And somebody left us a magnet. And now, to the outside.
Oh, this is a big balcony.
Balcony. Yeah.
Non-obstructed view, if you're confused on that.
Very nice. Hey.
Port
Civitavecchia.
outside of Rome. Welcome to the Mediterranean. Bye.